It's Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity with your succulent tip of the day, and today is day 1 in Pasadena phase 4. Many of you know that we started tackling this gorgeous historic property about 2 years ago, and we are systematically just working our way around. Today, of course, is demo day, and I've got Cullen and Miguel here digging out a lot of boxwoods. Every time the guys dig out a tired old perennial, an angel gets its wings. So this is very exciting and gratifying for me. They are also moving some of the Australians around to other areas of the garden because we don't want to just pitch those. I've got a plant delivery coming up, a big semi from Waterwise Botanicals, and while we're waiting for the plants, Hannah and I have just been kind of reworking these pots that were completed last year. I'm super thrilled with how everything looks, and I'm very excited for the next 6 days. Check this out! Oh my gosh! So, this is one small delivery. I could have probably worked with 4 times this many plants, but I'm just so excited to get another couple of areas of this garden done. Check out the texture, the form, the colors. This is all my stash from Waterwise Botanicals. Quickly, these moonstones are hardy to 20 degrees Fahrenheit for all you inland folks. And the Aeonium Sunburst at Waterwise Botanicals is right now. New introduction, Mr. Toothy. This fantastic blue aloe. I'm so in love with this plant. And just real quick, look at that guy. We planted him last time we were here.
Make sure your hole is nice and wet.
It's the end of day 1 in Pasadena, and what a day it's been. Day 1 is always kind of slow because we have to receive all the boulders, we have to receive all the plants. It took 5 people about an hour and a half to offload the truck from Waterwise Botanicals today. Greg capped all the irrigation in here. We moved all the Australian plants to new locations in the yard. We got rid of a lot of boxwood hedges. Now the guys are bringing loads of soil off the top and dropping them down here onto the bottom so I can get my mounds going. Yeah, this opuntia Many of you know these cactus are so cute and they have beautiful flowers, but they also have tiny little microscopic thorns called glaucids, and they're airborne, and they can get in your skin, they can get in your nose, they can get in your eyes. So tomorrow the guys are going to mask up and they're going to hose this plant down because the weight of the water should keep the glaucids from flying everywhere, and they're going to limit up because as the plant starts to grow, it grows into the flow of the water, diverts the water, and then the pond empties. So we have to keep this cactus under control. Also, look at this fugly mess here. You don't need to plant your pond plants in their black nursery containers. We're going to take those out of the black containers, drop them right down into the pond, and then anchor them, if needed, with some rock. They will be fine, and it will look 100% better. Yeah, the boxwoods over there against that side of the house, that area already looks better just with those gone. And of course, that's going to get all planted out in succulents. This has been Laura Eubanks of Design for Serenity reporting from Pasadena with Team DFS and day 1 and your succulent tip of the day.